Hey everyone, if you're looking for some tips and tricks on making great videos on CapCut, then you're at the right place because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to help you elevate your video editing game on CapCut. So let's get started. First one is to use the smooth tool. The smooth tool is a great feature to help you stabilize shaky footage. To use this tool, simply select the clip that you want to stabilize and then click on the smooth button. CapCut will automatically analyze your footage and make adjustments to reduce any shakiness or wobbling in your videos. This tool is particularly useful for action or sports videos where you may have some shaky footage that you may want to stabilize. Next one is adding transitions. Transitions are a great way to make your videos look more professional and polished. CapCut offers a variety of transitions such as fade, zoom, slide, etc. that you use to add a smooth transition between two clips. To add a transition, simply select the clip and then click on the transition button. You can choose the transition that you want to use and adjust the duration and timings. Keyframes is a powerful tool that allows you to create animations and add movement to your videos. And with CapCut, you can use keyframe to adjust the position, scale, and rotation of your clips. And to use keyframes, select the clip that you want to animate and then click on the animation button. And from there, you can add keyframes and adjust the settings to create the animation that you want. Adding text and titles to your videos is a great way to provide context and information to your viewers. CapCut offers a variety of text and title options that you can customize to fit your video style and theme. To add text, click on the text button and then choose the style and font that you want to use. And you can also adjust the size, color, and position of your text. Don't be afraid to experiment with filters and effects to add some creative flair to your videos. CapCut offers a range of filters and effects that you can apply to your clips, such as color grading, glitch, and vintage effects, etc. To apply a filter or effect, you need to select the clip that you want to edit and then click on the filter or effect button. From there, you can choose the effect that you want to use and adjust the setting to your liking. And that's it for my top 5 secret tricks on CapCut to make great videos. I hope you found these tips helpful and they inspire you to create some amazing videos. If you have any other tips or tricks about CapCut, do share with us in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would suggest you, in fact, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.